Alright, at this point, the Beats 360 story has gone from a few scattered clues to a full-blown multi-source leak chain, with details emerging from Apple software, regulatory filings, retailer listings, and even sightings on professional football players. So here's what we know. We have the A3577 Apple over-ear headphone filing from the FCC in May, the B518 identifier discovered by Mac Rumors in macOS Tahoe, retailer listings found by Reddit users, and just yesterday, Mac Rumors reported that the same A3577 model number had appeared in Brazil's ANATEL database. Then the retailer listings essentially filled in the rest of the story with the design, features, colors, and pricing. The retailer leak tells us that these aren't simply another version of the existing Beats Studio Pro. The design is noticeably different, with rounder ear cups and a fabric-covered look that has some obvious similarities to the AirPods Max. The headband uses telescoping arms, while both the ear cushions and the headband cushion are replaceable. The headphones are expected to come with performance knit cushions, with an ultra plush option also available separately. There are also physical controls on the ear cups, including a volume rocker, multifunction button for music and calls, power button, and listening mode button. The retailer listing also revealed one of the biggest claimed upgrades, active noise cancellation. Beats reportedly says the Beats 360 provide up to 1.75 times more noise cancellation than the Beats Studio Pro. The headphones are also expected to have adaptive ANC, transparency mode, and personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. They will reportedly use beamforming microphones and an AI-trained noise reduction algorithm to filter out background noise. The Beats 360 are reportedly designed for an active lifestyle and are said to have an IPX4 rating, meaning they're designed to handle sweat and splashes. If accurate, these would be the first Beats over-ear headphones with this type of water and sweat resistance. As usual for Beats, they'll also support one-touch pairing with both Apple and Android devices. There's also been a much more public way of seeing these headphones. Soccer players including Lamine Yamal and Anthony Robinson were spotted wearing what appear to be the Beats 360 around the 2026 FIFA World Cup. At the time, the headphones hadn't been identified by name, but the sightings now line up with the design revealed in the retailer listings. As for the rest of the specifications, the leaked listings point to all-day battery life, including with ANC enabled, a fold-flat design, and a woven ripstop carrying case. They'll reportedly use USB-C for charging. The leaked colors include black, cloud, sky, and pink, while Volt and Navy have also appeared in connection with replacement cushions. The leaked pricing is another interesting part of this story. The Beats 360 are expected to cost around $299 in the US. If that number holds, Beats could be positioning these below the regular $349 price of the Studio Pro, while offering features like IPX4 protection, replaceable cushions, and a substantially stronger claimed ANC performance. As for the launch, the latest reports point toward a possible September 2026 release, although an exact date hasn't surfaced yet, and there are still some important pieces missing from the leak. We don't have the exact battery capacity or numerical battery life figure, driver specifications, weight, Bluetooth version, or supported codecs, and despite speculation about Apple's H2 chip, the leaked retailer information doesn't actually mention it, so there's still a question mark over the hardware powering these headphones, and that's everything we know about the Beats 360 so far. With the leaks already revealing this much, it'll be interesting to see what else surfaces before these headphones finally arrive. Peace.